Nasa Nigeria contributing to ovation like Sonala Olumese, Ike Okonta, and others. But somewhere along the line one day, we covered a wedding. I think it was Patrick Koshoni Jr.'s wedding in London. And when he came up, he said, hey, you guys are beginning to look like Hello. And I'm like, hey, Hello. Then I went to pick. So, and I said, oh, we can do something better. Nigerians are more flamboyant than what I see in Hello. And that was it. And we started.
So in 2011, you contested for the presidency under NCP. What did you think Nigeria lacked at that time that you contested?
Yeah, I was actually tired of grumbling and lamenting like Jeremiah. We complain a lot in Nigeria and do nothing about it. I looked at the caliber of people who were contesting, and I knew that by my experience, by my exposure, I was eminently qualified. But what I didn't know was the lack of readiness on the part of our electorates. I don't know how to describe it. Maybe we have not suffered enough. Because everywhere you go, people are suffering. People are complaining. But at the end of the day, when the results come, you see a man who has never enjoyed the third road will still go and vote for that local government chairman. You see a man who has never tasted pipe-borne water will still go and vote for the man who made it impossible for him to taste the water.
But do you think it might be a case of, people not being exposed and maybe people being illiterate as well?
No, well, I attribute it to so many factors. Ethnicity, a lot of people, once their village boy or townsman is involved, then they follow him blindly. Forgetting that even the so-called money will not get to all of them. Religion. Once he's a Muslim or he's a Christian, then you follow him. Then the king of them all, cash.
Cash. That was 2011. Now we're in 2014, and there's another elections coming up in 2015. What is your state of mind about this country?
I'm on my bended knees praying to God to make sure that things go well. I'm worried. Everybody is worried. The signals are not too pleasant, but what can we do other than to pray to God? I pray that we will be able to have good candidates come out and good people vote for them.
So what more can we expect from Dele Momodu?
Well, I mean, I always come up with all kinds of ideas, but I think my passion is the media. So whatever I'm going to do,
centered around.
I'm going to be 55 next year.
You look very good for your age.
Oh, thank you very much. And I just feel, what more can I do? Let me do this very well. Building a good brand like Coca-Cola, everywhere you go, even if you don't like the owner, you must like the product.
It, yes.
That is the level we're taking ovation.
It's been really nice talking to you, Mr. Dele Momodu. I have had so much fun listening to you go on, and you've had a very interesting life. Not many people can talk about military, running after them, running into exile, going to sleep in jail for 4 weeks. It's quite adventurous, if you know what I mean.
Thank you, Toke. Right. I have also followed you for your information. So let me turn the tide against you now, because I'm looking forward to your presentation at the Headies.
Okay, yeah. I'm looking forward to that as well.
Yes,
Thank you.
You and Bovi.
Yes.
And I like Bovi a lot.
Yes, I
actually posted both of you on my Instagram page.
Oh, wow. I'll check it out.
When the promo came out.
I'll check it out. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. I look forward to
seeing you
again.
We're not letting you go yet.
What have I done?
Let's go on a quick break. That fancy segment that you love so much is coming up next. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Trending on HIP TV. It's time for your favorite part of the show. This is the nasty comment segment, and we have your fans really love you, sir. They knew you were coming and they just wanted to talk to you and share so many lovely messages with you. They're supposed to read it out.
This is pure comedy. Does he think presidency is like getting chieftaincy title? It is not. But that is why you are getting what you are getting. Femi, unfortunately, Dele Momodu has no political pedigree or track record of management other than his publishing business. Because Femi doesn't know me. Otherwise, he would have known that all the biggest players in the Nigerian political history at different times I've dealt with. Okay? At the age of 23, I was a private secretary to the then deputy governor of Ondo State, Chief Momodu. I was only 23. I mean, you can imagine, and I'm talking about the old Ondo State, combining Ondo and Ekiti at that time. So, I was 23. In fact, from the age of 22, I joined politics, and I already knew the MPN chairman, Chief Adisaki Loye. I knew the then governor of Oyo, Chief Omololu Loyo. I knew Chief Bolaige. I knew everybody across board. At the age of 26, I was working for the Oni of Ife.
Wow.
About Kwadesijuade Olubushe II. I was working for him. I was only 26. At 28, I joined Chief Moshood Abiola, and I was working with him. So, I mean, I don't know what political pedigree you will need beyond that. Not many people in many lifetimes will have such an opportunity.
That you had.
And I came in, became the editor of Classic, as we mentioned, and I never left politics for once. Then, as in no win last election, you don't decide, make you day on the low key. All these bad belly people, we day after Nigeria money. I don't know what that means. Ayo said, all these fat men self, I beg, you better stick to, in my family, Ayo, you speak Yoruba, Agbati Oyokun, Anloni. If you see any old man like me who has no belly, the man is too stingy.
Nice, very nice. Well, thank you for coming by. It's been really nice having you on Trending.
Thank you.
And we are following you all the way. We can't wait to see what's coming up next with Dele Momodu and your Vision magazine, and of course your political ambition as well.
My political mission.
Mission, that's the word. Let's say that.
Mission.
Okay, guys, so let's check out our top 5 international TV series out right now.